Now, I'm going to introduce to you our brand new product called the iDefender INC, or call it Inc. iDefender INC Inc. Okay, it is a brand new product by ENF Essentials, and it is only available exclusively at ENF Essentials. That means in the whole wide world, we are the exclusive distributor of ENF Essentials. Every time when a virus goes away or dies off, okay, a new virus will happen again. Yeah, you can see from this chart, the chain almost never break. That means dealing with viruses is part and parcel of our life. Okay, but with COVID-19, it has become a great cause of concern. Why? Well, because in our lifetime we have never seen something like this. Yeah, and right now it is a world pandemic and it is totally out of control. Therefore, I want to introduce to you the iDefender INC, or iDefender Inc. Okay, like I said, it is a exclusive product available only with ENF. It is a all natural product and organic as well. Right now, so iDefender INC, yeah, INC stands for Ionic Nano Copper. That means it is very small in its particle. Okay, right, very small size. Right now, copper has already there are a lot of studies that are already done on copper, and copper can kill viruses and other germs by disrupting the protective layers of the organism and interfering with its vital process. Okay, right. Now, I'm going to show you a short clip afterwards in a short while. Yeah, a study found that SARS-CoV-2, yeah, the virus responsible for coronavirus pandemic, is no longer infectious on copper within 4 hours. Where else it can survive on plastic surfaces for up to 72 hours. That's scary. Okay, right? Now, and copper has many applications in hospitals and other places where germs are likely to spread. Okay, and I just read an article today. Yeah, there are a lot of hospitals. Yeah, they already changed their doorknob to a copper doorknob. Why? Because viruses cannot inhibit on copper. Okay, now. So the active ingredient in INC is ionized copper in an inorganic matrix which promotes a controlled release of nano-sized copper ions. Yeah, and once these copper ions inhibit on the virus, it can kill the virus itself. Okay, right? Now, and iDefender Inc. is highly concentrated at 16,000 ppm, parts per million. Okay, right? So that means it is very concentrated and refined. All you need to do is add it into water, yeah, add a few drops into water and diffuse it, yeah, and you can get a very clean environment around you. Okay, and INC disinfectant is proven effective in various independent lab tests by University Malaya Sarawak, Beijing University of Technology, and also ICAS Testing Technology Service from Shanghai. Okay.
You may think that antiseptic wipes or sprays are necessary to kill germs and pathogens. But there's actually a metal that kills germs on contact, no cleaning supplies necessary. This is the copper, a material that cultures across the globe have recognized as vital to our health for more than 1,000 years. The recent research on coronavirus done by the New England Journal of Medicine found that copper got rid of the virus on its surface within only 4 hours, which is the fastest among all other surfaces in the test. So, what makes copper so effective for killing microbes like bacteria and viruses, and why isn't it being used everywhere? The use of copper for health purposes dates all the way back to ancient Egypt. They had no idea why, but they were aware that this marvelous material could save lives from deadly infections and wounds. And now, modern science is here to tell us exactly why. The secret behind such high antimicrobial property of copper comes from a process called the ionic disposition. When a foreign organism like a bacterium lands on the surface of copper or one of its alloys, the bacterium recognizes the copper ions as an essential nutrient and thus begins to absorb it. However, as more and more copper ions enter the cell, the ionic dose becomes lethal. These levels of copper ions prove to be dangerous for the bacterium. It destabilizes the cell's electrical microcurrent, the transmembrane potential, and effectively short-circuits the bacterial membrane. This allows more copper ions to flood into the cell, seriously affecting the cell's ability to metabolize and ultimately killing it by destroying its DNA and RNA. It can sometimes even achieve this process in mere minutes. The list of microbes it can kill is truly impressive, including MRSA, E. coli, norovirus, coronavirus, and antibiotic-resistant strains of staph. Copper is a hardcore microbial murder machine. During this current COVID-19 pandemic, a careless touch of the wrong surface can put your health in serious jeopardy. But on a copper surface, the virus rarely live long enough to do any harm. So, what is preventing us from using it at all places? The answer is cost. It's also harder to maintain than materials like steel, plastic, and glass. Copper can tarnish and lose its coloration over time. The researchers still argue that an investment in copper is a lifelong investment. It never actually loses its antimicrobial properties, even when it oxidizes and takes on a green color. Now we can probably only hope that the world's governments get over their aesthetic-based metal discrimination and change their minds.
Okay, there you have it, right? Okay. Now, so you see you have just watched the video that tells you the power of copper, okay, and why it is not widely used up to now because of its cost. And over here, ENF, we found a way to make it so affordable for everyone, right? And you can just use it, yes? You can just use it uncautiously, okay? Now, so what are the 12 unique benefits of our iDefender INC, okay? Now, it is in fact, it can inhibit up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, including H1N1, H2N3, SARS virus, MERS virus, and also coronavirus. Like I mentioned, the viruses are here to stay. Yeah, after corona goes away, they're going to be another coronavirus. Okay, right? And over here, we have something that can disinfect. Okay, and number two, it sanitizes, effective against viruses and bacteria on all hard and soft surfaces, okay, including your bed, right? And number three is sterilize, creating an environment safe from bacteria and also viruses or other living microorganisms. Number four, it is EPA registered. It is an EPA registered hospital disinfectant, and it is scientifically proven and tested. Okay. Number five is also NSF. NSF stands for National Sanitization Federation. Certified food grade 100%. That means it's safe to the human body, and it can achieve 99.99% sanitization. Okay. And number six, it purifies. It can eliminate airborne allergens and also germs. And number seven, it can eliminate haze and smoke. Okay, right. Now, every year, once a year, we in Malaysia will have to live with haze. Also, with now with the iDefender INC. Okay, you can use this to eliminate haze and smoke within your personal area. Right, and of course, it can kill mold and mildew. And also, it can eliminate allergen, pet dander, and also dust mites. Okay, it ionizes and freshens indoor and also outdoor air as long as you have a bubble around you. Okay, right? I'm going to show you in a short while how you can create your own iDefender bubble. It's very, very cool. Okay. Now it removes odor and stale air, and of course it's humidified. It helps you to replenish moisture and also improve humidity level for comfortable and healthier living. And it is extremely pleasant to be used in air-con environment. Okay, that's how wonderful it is. These are the 12 unique benefits. Okay, now these are some of the and INC is already registered and certified by NSF, by ANSI, and by CAN 60. Okay, over here you can see over here in the red color box, INC is already registered with NSF as a safe element to kill viruses and whatnot. Okay. Now, this is an article also released by NSF. It is safe for the human body. Right? It is INC is safe for the human body. Right? And this is the lab test by ICAS from Shanghai. You can see in the red boxes over there. The test report shows sample name is INC 16K. Why 16K? That means it's 16,000 ppm. Okay. And the test item is quantitative inactivation of human coronavirus. Okay, right? And the result over here on the next page, conclusion. After 3 repeated tests, the DE neutralization broth neutralizers solution used can effectively neutralize the residual effect of INC 16K stock solution on human coronavirus under constant temperature test. Okay, right? So and after 3 repeated tests, it really shows it can kill, it can effectively deactivate and kill coronavirus. That's how effective it is. Okay, right? Now, and how do you use it? Very simple. It will come in a bottle form of 50 ml. You just need to add 10 to 15 drops of iDefender INC to 100 ml of water and diffuse it via a table or personal diffuser. Okay, right? So I have over here a personal diffuser. Yeah, it's very, very cute. Yeah, so it is so small. Okay. Now this is only 15 ml, right? So you can fill it in with 15 ml water and put one drop to two drops. Yeah, you can carry it around you. We're gonna there's two holes over here. You can put a lanyard through it. You can hang it around your neck, and you can turn on. Okay, turn on. Okay, and you can see it's going to demist. Yeah? It's going to create a bubble around you, right? Okay, you can put it on the table. Can you see the mist, right? Okay, now so you can hang it around here, right? So when it diffuses, it creates a protection around you. Okay, right? You can even put it on a table, or you can put it in a pocket or in a bag and carry it everywhere you go. Yeah, you can also put it near your aircon vent of your car. Yeah, and also disinfect your whole car as well. Okay, and the wonderful thing about this personal diffuser, yeah, you can unscrew it. It is of course on battery. Yeah, you just need to use a normal USB charger that will do. Okay, now and the wonderful thing is you can actually unscrew this one, okay, and then you can put it into a bottle of water, and you can drop the solution into the water, in the bottle of water, and diffuse from there. It is that convenient over here. All right, okay. I'm going to show you the packages that comes with it later on. Yeah, and now then you can create your own iDefender bubble using this. Yeah, and you can also use it in where? In your car, in the bedroom, in the kitchen, in classroom, yeah, in offices, in your bathroom, dining table. Basically, you can use it everywhere and anywhere. Okay, right? Now, with this amazing product, yeah, it is a perfect solution for you to protect your loved ones, yeah, with the iDefender INC. Okay, right? So now that you know about this, you can't say anymore. You have no more excuse, yeah, not to protect your family members, your loved ones with the amazing iDefender INC.